afternoon, guys. How are you doing? It's Friday. Yes, it is Friday in the UK. So, how's everyone doing? Let me know down below. Today, I don't know what I'm doing. Hopefully this weekend. Hopefully this weekend I'm going to try and get the trailer up so I can get the awning done. So the awning needs to be done. So get that done, then the part 4 of the trailer tent will be coming soon, if I can get it filmed anyway, the one. Kyle unfortunately isn't coming this weekend, or isn't coming today anyway. I don't know if he's coming tomorrow, I don't know when. He did ask me to go to Swiss, but I can't get there, so we can't go. So, yeah. That's what's going on so far. Okay, Fuzzy. Look, nobody down there. What are you doing? Right, need to go to the post box. Post box, now it's time to go to the shop. Let's go. Hey everybody, just set up a new Snapchat for the YouTube channel. This is it. Go and add me. There it is. INFASLEN is the name. I'll leave it down below when it be on screen now. So here you go. This is my YouTube Snapchat. You can also add me on my other one, boys. You can also go and add me on my private one as well, which is, I don't know what it is. But whatever it is, it's also in the link in the description, so you know now. Boom. Hopefully I've enjoyed. If you have, then please like it down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in my next video. Adios.
This could be the greatest day of our lives. Before it all ends, before we run out of time, stay close to me. Stay close to me. Watch